Alright, here's my Climapod. This seems to be a pretty good little setup. You can see here I've got a couple varieties. Cucumbers just starting to come in. And these were awesome to start. I grow a pretty big garden in northern New Mexico at about 7,000 feet. But it's really hard to grow anything but sort of northern New Mexico seeds, traditional seeds. And so here's my my greens on the northish side, some lettuce, some spinach. And what I'd like to say is that this is a beautiful little greenhouse. I've really enjoyed it. Another little video. You see that fan is working awesome. The auto doors also working awesome. One thing that I would like to promote the Climapod when I was shopping around is you can get some other greenhouses for less cost. However, the customer service that I have received from Climapod is absolutely amazing. Sergey, when we were putting this thing up, we would ask him. We had a few frustrating moments, but we would call him and he would pick up the phone every single time. And if he didn't pick it up, he'd get back to us within like a half an hour. I think is the longest we waited. So we had one of our fans go out, and I called Sergey and we worked it out, and I got a fan like 3 days later, so my greenhouse didn't overheat. Thanks, Sergey. Thanks for the customer service, buddy. On the inside, I've got 3 varieties of tomatoes, and I'm growing them in these cloth bags. Seems to be doing well, and the trellising system I'm using is more of like a cage. I'm using bamboo stakes at the bottom. I found that if I put too much weight on the greenhouse itself, it tends to things tend to sort of not like it. Some baby greens, some beginnings of some more spinach and some trays. Here's some dill for the pickles that are coming up. And then a beautiful thing about the way this setup is with the deluxe version is you've got these 2 shelves, which are great for getting stuff started. But then I've got this good protected area for a whole bunch of basil. And I've just used flagstone and gravel. I put underneath here some weed barrier as well. And all in all, I'm really pleased. Thanks, Climapod.